in this mini lesson, I'm going to show you how you can take a decimal and change it into a mixed number. So a mixed number is when you have a whole part and then plus a fraction. So for example, 2 and 1/2. So you have the 2 is the whole part and then the 1/2 is the part. We have 2.5 and we want to change that into a mixed number. I know that 2.5 is equivalent to 2 plus 0.5. What we need to do is change the 0.5 into a fraction, so then we can just throw the 2 in front of it. So really what we're concerned about is the decimal part. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to create a fraction with the 0.5. We know that 0.5 is a half intuitively, but how do we get that? Because there's only one decimal place with the 5, that means as a fraction, 0.5 is the same thing as 5/10. One decimal means there's 1 0 underneath. If it was 0.55, that would mean I would put 55/100 because I need 2 zeros for 2 decimal places. So when I hit enter, it will verify that I've got the right decimal from here to here. And then if I want to change it into fraction form, and remember when you change it to fraction form, it's always going to give the most reduced form of the fraction. So I'm going to click fraction bar and it gives it to me as 1/2. So now that I know that 0.5 is a half, then I can write my mixed fraction as 2 and 1/2, like this. So that's how you want to do it. And then if you want to check to make sure you got it right, there's a mixed fraction button here. I can click on that and put in 2 and 1/2. And when I hit enter, it should give me 2.5. Here it's in fraction form. So I'm going to change it to a decimal. And there it shows that it's 2.5. So you can use this mixed number button on the calculator to check going the other direction to make sure it matches the decimal.